You might see bugs, mushrooms, or mold in your soil and panic, but these uninvited guests are often the secret to a thriving garden. Just below the surface lies a bustling world, an interconnected society of workers, engineers, and protectors. This hidden realm isn't a place of pests and decay, but the very foundation of healthy soil. The dance between fungus and root, predator and prey, transforms dirt into living soil. By understanding this secret life, we become true custodians of our land. Today, I'll show you which guests to welcome, and how they quietly build healthy, self-sustaining soil ecosystems right under your nose. Let's start with earthworms, the tireless engineers of the soil. Their tunnels bring oxygen and water deep underground, preventing compaction and helping roots grow strong. As they eat decaying matter, they leave behind castings, nature's perfect fertilizer packed with nutrients plants can use immediately. Earthworms are a sign of soil vitality. If you spot their holes or droppings, celebrate. Your soil is alive. A garden without worms often struggles, while a thriving worm population means rich, well-structured earth. Earthworms don't just live in soil, they create it, transforming barren ground into fertile foundation. Their humble work is the backbone of a healthy garden. Ever found white, web-like mold under mulch? That's mycelium, the root system of fungi, and your garden's secret ally. Mycelium forms a partnership with plant roots, trading sugars for water and nutrients like phosphorus and nitrogen. These fungal threads connect your entire garden, making plants more resilient and self-sufficient. Disturbing this network, by raking or tilling, breaks vital connections. Instead, feed it, add wood chips, compost, or fallen leaves to nurture the fungal web. By supporting mycelium, you connect your garden into a single, resilient superorganism. The soil surface is a jungle of hunters and protectors, many of whom are your best allies. Ground beetles and spiders hunt pests like slugs and aphids, providing natural pest control. Even ants aerate soil and recycle organic matter, helping decomposition. Before you panic at a beetle or spider, ask, is it a protector or a pest? Most are signs your garden's immune system is working. Let these predators thrive, and you'll have a natural defense force. No chemicals needed. Pillbugs and millipedes are your garden's janitors, breaking down tough, woody material into microbe food. They start the decomposition process, making nutrients available for plants. Rarely do they harm seedlings. Mostly, they recycle dead matter and keep the soil healthy. Their presence means the cycles of decay and renewal are working as they should. Unless they're overwhelming, these quiet workers do far more good than harm. Soil isn't just a plant holder, it's a living ecosystem. The more we let nature work, the less we have to intervene. Chasing a sterile, pest-free garden destroys the systems that create resilience. A balanced garden has predators to control pests and decomposers to recycle nutrients. Healthy soil life feeds and protects plants, making them stronger and more drought-tolerant. By fostering this life, we grow not just plants, but a thriving ecosystem. Provide mulch, compost, and water. Then let nature's experts do the rest. The world beneath our feet is a metropolis of collaborators, not a battleground. By fostering biodiversity, we enlist an army of free workers who build fertile, resilient soil. Next time you spot something crawling, pause and ask, is it a builder, protector, or decomposer? Most are helpful citizens, not enemies. Share your strangest soil discoveries in the comments. Let's celebrate the weird and wonderful allies that make our gardens thrive. Together, we can see the whole picture, from the tallest sunflower to the tiniest springtail.